Welcome to your research journey, discovering keywords and phrases and sources of information. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate ways you might use keywords and key phrases to search for information about your primary source topic and collection theme in first-year seminar. Let's look at an example of how we might use a first source of information online to develop keywords and phrases for further research on a topic. Our example primary source collection, Doing Time, is about the criminal justice system and its historic injustices. Let's say that in my team, I'm responsible for researching the Black codes. I already see another keyword embedded here, Jim Crow era. Now I'm going to click on the link that is embedded in my primary source. I have a PC, so I need to right-click on the image to open the link. The link has taken me to a first source of information. If I review the contents, a few things will likely stand out. In the first section of the article, I see that there are some possible keywords here. Following Reconstruction. Reconstruction, I know, is a time period, but in conjunction with Black codes, it may be part of a good search strategy, a key word, Reconstruction. I also see Jim Crow laws. And while I know that Jim Crow is another key phrase in my collection for my primary source, I now have a kind of a new way of thinking about Jim Crow in the form of Jim Crow laws, another keyword or key phrase. As I move through, I see a reference to a name, Johnson. This will be a key phrase for me in the context of Reconstruction policies. And so these are more potential keywords. Moving through, I'm also seeing that there is possible information throughout, including some language that I'm unfamiliar with. Here I see that words like strict vagrancy and labor contract laws may be helpful key terms, but first I'm going to have to look up the word vagrancy because I'm not sure I know what it means. Nevertheless, these are possible new key phrases and key terms that will help me in my search. Similarly, anti-enticement measures. So to review, from this initial source, I have found a number of possible keywords and phrases: Jim Crow era, Reconstruction, Jim Crow laws, Andrew Johnson, Johnson's Reconstruction policies, vagrancy and labor contract laws, and anti-enticement measures. Keywords are kind of like breadcrumbs that we gather on our research path as we move closer and closer to our destination. Some keywords are going to provide more help than others, and using them is always a process of trial and error. But they do reflect an important research skill, so good luck in finding your own keywords and phrases for your topics.